Introducing Solo, the latest pool alarm from Lifebuoy. When you leave your pool, Solo stays on guard. Solo detects objects that hit the water's surface and triggers off an extremely loud alarm. Audible across an extensive area, protecting your loved ones and their best friends. Solo combines a smart motion algorithm with an advanced technical design. Here are Solo's installation steps, as easy as 1, 2, 3. With Solo's user-friendly companion app, you can schedule quiet hours and get free firmware updates. No subscriptions, no hidden costs, no worries. Keep your family and loved ones safe. And remember, no pool alarm, no pool. Solo from Lifebuoy.